Spectrum Wi-Fi pods use advanced mesh Wi-Fi technology to transform your home network experience. Unlike traditional Wi-Fi extenders, mesh technology creates a unified network that eliminates dead zones throughout your home. This is what a Spectrum Wi-Fi pod looks like. These sleek, cylindrical devices are designed to blend seamlessly into your home while providing powerful wireless coverage. Each pod can cover up to 800 square feet and handle multiple devices simultaneously. Spectrum Wi-Fi pods are specifically designed to work seamlessly with Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi routers. They create a self-optimizing network that automatically connects your devices to the strongest available signal as you move throughout your home. Before setting up your Wi-Fi pods, you need to complete 3 essential preparation steps. First, ensure you have a Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, as the pods are designed to work specifically with Spectrum's advanced router technology. Second, download the My Spectrum app from either the App Store or Google Play. This app is essential for setting up and managing your Wi-Fi pods, providing an intuitive interface for network configuration. Finally, plug in your Spectrum router and confirm it's functioning correctly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding with the pod setup process. This ensures a smooth installation experience. With these preparation steps complete, you'll be ready to begin the actual Wi-Fi pod setup process. Having the right equipment and app installed ensures a seamless configuration experience. Start by plugging your Wi-Fi pod into a wall outlet near your Spectrum router. This initial placement allows the pod to establish a strong connection with your main network. Next, open the My Spectrum app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to Services, then Wi-Fi Pods, and select Setup Pod to begin the configuration process. After the initial setup is complete, unplug the pod and move it to an area with weak Wi-Fi signal coverage. Ensure the pod remains within range of your main router for optimal performance. For optimal coverage, position your router and pods strategically. Maintain a distance of 20 to 32 feet between pods when separated by walls, or 32 to 50 feet in open spaces. Finally, use the Spectrum app's visual layout feature to configure your pod placement precisely. Navigate to Services, select Internet, then Wi-Fi Pods, and use the drag and drop interface to position your pods in a virtual layout of your home.